today I have a little helper here. Hi. He's going to be helping me. We're going to be doing a easy recipe. So this recipe is from Chef Moises. We actually talked through Instagram. He also has a YouTube page if you guys want to check it out. I will be also leaving that information down below on the description. He also has that recipe and other delicious recipes out because he's always posting recipes and they're delicious and easy. And you know the holidays are coming, so I'm pretty sure he has some great, easy, delicious recipes as the one that I'm going to be showing you. So I always say it's good luck to try a piece of cheese when you first cut it open. It goes for any cheese. Just a thing I do. This cheese is actually pretty good. Okay, and then we're gonna shred it. We need about 1 cup of cheese. Shredded cheese. And guys, I am not a professional. I am not a professional chef. I don't try to be a professional chef. I know what I am. I am a home cook who loves to make recipes, who loves to share her recipes with the world. Okay? I make it different than you would probably make it, and that's okay. Alright? Don't be afraid to get out there and show what you got. People won't like it, people will criticize, and that's okay. You're not made for everyone. For everybody. Okay? So if I do something wrong, sorry, correct me. I love to learn. Oops. So I feel like it still needs a little bit more. Do you want to try some cheese, Leo? Yeah? It's good. You want to shred some cheese? Leo's going to shred some cheese. Alright, so you grab this from the top. And then you're going to grab with the other hand, which is the there you go. Shred. Watch out with your fingers because it can cut. Does food reviews too, and he's a chef, and he does catering in Orlando. He has a company, I think it's called PASION. Like I said, I'll list it down below. Really cool. So that was our 2 cups of flour. So as you can see, the flour looks so pretty. It looks like snow almost.
It looks like a snow hill.
Okay. And we're going to be adding
some milk, half of a milk.
We're going to be adding our milk mixture. Kind of looks like a batter. See, it looks like a batter. It does look like carrot cake. Cool. Keep adding.
The trees, because the trees looks like a carrot.
Yeah, the shredded carrots, right?
And the mix looks like a cake. The cake.
Guys, they're so good. Goodness. And they're so cheesy. They're so good. Amazing. The kids will love it. You will love it. Oh man, and it's so easy. So yummy. Look at that. How amazing is that? And they puff up, so yummy. This is his recipe. He was just so kind to pass it on to me so I can show it to you guys. And you know, it's awesome that people share their recipes. You know, it shows a little bit of who they are. Of course, mine is not gonna be as perfect as. If you guys have any more questions about this recipe or would like more information, I'm going to be leaving his information down below so you guys can ask him and check it out, since it is his recipe and he knows more about it than I do. Okay, our reviews today were at home. This was a wonderful recipe. I highly recommend it to everyone at home. Of course you can try one. Yes. I made me a cup of coffee that I will be enjoying with my little cheese balls. Bolitas rellenas de queso.
Cheese balls.
Yeah. Why are they called cheese balls? Because they have cheese stuck in them.
And the balls.
You guys want to join me next time? Pour your cup of coffee. Chat. Let's talk a little bit. And enjoy ourselves. Alright guys, as I always say, be yourself, stay true to yourself, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and follow. Alright, now really, I'll see you on the next one. Be yourself and stay true to yourself. Bye! Now remember, I'm looking for my inspirers. Get out there, make a difference, make a change within yourself or someone else.